In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add volume indicator on NinjaTrader 8. Adding volume to your chart is a quick way to see the strength behind price moves, and it only takes a moment once you know where to click. Start on the chart you want to work with. Move your mouse anywhere over the graph, then right-click to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Indicators. This opens the Indicators window, which is the control center for adding and managing any study on your chart. At the top of that window, use the search field to find the volume indicator you want. Type the word volume, and you'll see options such as a basic volume histogram and other volume-related studies, depending on what's installed. If you don't see a specific item, it may not be enabled in your platform edition, and that's fine. The standard volume plot works well for most traders. Also, make sure your chart has enough historical bars loaded so the display is meaningful as soon as it appears. Once you've located the one you want, double-click it. That instantly adds the indicator to your configured list on the right and highlights its settings. Now, take a moment to configure it. Common adjustments include selecting which panel it plots in, choosing colors for up and down volume, and setting the plot style and bar width so it's easy to read at a glance. If your chart is crowded, placing the volume in a separate panel keeps things clean. If your platform uses a dark background, pick bright contrasting colors so volume spikes stand out during fast markets. You can also enable or disable auto scale, adjust transparency, and decide whether the indicator calculates on the close of each bar for more consistent readings. None of these choices change the data. They just tailor the display to your workflow. If you ever change your mind, you can revert those properties back to their defaults. When your settings look the way you want, click Apply to see the changes reflected on the chart without closing the window. If everything looks good, click OK to confirm and return to your chart. You should now see the volume indicator updating with each new bar. If it appears too small or too large, reopen Indicators and tweak the panel or scaling until it's comfortable. And that's all there is to it. Right-click the chart and select Indicators, search for the volume type you want, double-click to add and configure it, then click Apply and OK. With volume now visible, you'll have an extra layer of context to help interpret each price move.